All right, on this episode of Dave's Cooking Show, we have the dead leaves salad. First thing we got to do is make the dressing for it. So, you want to start off with 2 tablespoons of honey. Then you want to add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, but make sure you fuck it all up by spreading the mustard everywhere except the goddamn bowl. Have to wipe it up. And then 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2/3 of a cup of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste, whisk the shit out of it, and place it in the fridge until we need it for our salad. And that's the dressing for this salad. All right, now let's actually make the salad itself. Right now I have a head of romaine lettuce that I chopped up. I have a cup of chopped pecans that I toasted in the oven. I toasted them at roughly about, 175. You don't want to have too high of heat with this son of a bitch. Now, I forgot to add them, but you're supposed to have 2 Honeycrisp apples that you basically cored and diced, but my dumbass, of course, forgot it. You want a cup of craisins, a 1/2 pound of bacon, chopped up or crumbled, whichever you like. And then 4 ounces of feta cheese. 4 to 6 ounces of feta cheese. And then just want to basically toss this salad. Grab yourself a knife and fork. Toss this sumbitch around. And I believe I've added the dressing to it as well. Oh, wait, no. Here I go. Add the dressing as you see fit to taste, and that's literally it. So the dead leaves salad, done.